this is me Nikila Stejesh from Zero Wave. In this video we are going to solve the question number 6 to question number 10 of exercise 2.4. So let's begin our session. First question. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuri village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So what do you understand from the question? There is a rectangular plot. And we have to find the dimensions of this plot. Dimensions means length and breadth of the plot. We have to fence this rectangular plot and the expenditure for fencing this plot is given as rupees 75,000. Means we have to find the perimeter of the plot. Here the ratio of the length and breadth are given. Right? So we can consider length equal to some 11x, breadth equal to 4x, then perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth, right, which is equal to 2 into length is given 11x plus breadth is 4x, which is equal to 2 into 15x, that is equal to 30x. So we got the perimeter. It is given that the rate of fencing 1 meter is rupees 100 and the expenditure for fencing the whole plot is given as rupees 75,000. Then how can we form an equation here? Here 75,000 equal to, that is the total expenditure for fencing the plot, which would be equal to perimeter into cost of fencing 1 meter. Isn't it? We can form this equation. That is, perimeter is 30x into cost of fencing 1 meter is given as 100 rupees. Right? That is 75,000 equal to 30x into 100, which is equal to 3,000 into x. That is 75,000 equal to 3,000 into x. Therefore, x equal to, x would be 75,000 divided by 3,000. Isn't it? Yes. Then 3 cancel, these 3 zeros cancel, this 3 zeros cancel. Then 75 divided by 3 is 25, which is equal to 25. That is x equal to 25. Therefore, length equal to 11x, that is 11 into 25. What is 11 into 25? It is 275. 275 meter. And what is breadth? Breadth equal to 4x. That is 4 into 25, which is equal to 100 meter. So the dimensions of this rectangular plot are length equal to 275 meter and breadth equal to 100 meter. Okay, 7th question. Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth materials for his school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meters of the trouser material, he buys 3 meters of the shirt material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? What did you understand from the question? Hassan buys cloth material for shirt and trouser. And the cost of shirt material per meter is given 50 rupees and cost of trouser material per meter is also given, that is 90 rupees. Right? So here in the sentence you can see for every 2 meters of the trouser material he buys 3 meters of shirt material. So we can consider 3x and 2x are the quantity of cloth materials for shirt and trousers. Right? Let 3x and 2x are the quantity of cloth materials of shirt and trouser respectively. Right? Yes. Now, cost of shirt material per meter equal to rupees 50. Then cost of trouser material per meter is given as rupees 90. Isn't it? Yes. Now we can find the total cost of shirt material and total cost of trouser material. What would be total cost of shirt material? Total cost of shirt material equal to (3x into 50), which is equal to 150x. Then what would be total cost of trouser material? It would be it would be 2x into 90, which is equal to 180x. Clear till this? Okay. Now here it is given that he sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. We know that selling price equal to cost price plus profit. This equation we have already learnt. Okay. So here the profit percentage is given. Profit is not given, profit percentage is given. So profit, how can we find? Profit equal to profit percentage into cost price. Right? Profit percentage of cost price or profit percentage into cost price. Now we have to find the selling price of each item. Okay, so selling price of, I am writing the short form, selling price of shirt material equal to what is the formula? Cost price. Cost price of shirt material is 150x plus profit. Profit means profit percentage into CP. Profit percentage is, it is given for shirt, it is 12%. So 12% into CP is 150x itself. So, what would be the value? 150x plus 12 by 100 into 150x. Right? Yes. So, here we can cancel out this 0. Then 500 goes in 15 3 times. 500 goes in 10 2 times. Then 200 goes in 12 6 times. So, this equation reduces to 150x plus 18x, that is 168x, right? So selling price of shirt material is 168x. And what is selling price of trouser material? Which is equal to total cost of trouser material, that is 180x plus we have to find the profit. Profit means profit percentage of CP. Profit percentage of trouser material is 10%. 10% of CP. CP is again 180x. Now we can solve this. 180x plus 10 by 100. 10% means 10 by 100 into 180x. 0 gets cancelled. Then 200 goes in 80 9 times. 200 goes in 10 5 times. 500 goes in 10 2 times. Here 1. Which is equal to 180x plus 9 into 18x, which is equal to 198x. Then we can find the total SP of cloth material. Therefore, total SP of cloth material equal to 168x plus 198x. What is its sum? 168 plus 198. 6. 366x. Right? Yes. Now we got total SP of cloth material as 366x. Here in the question it is given that his total sale is rupees 36,600. So we can equate both of this, right? That is 366x equal to 36,600. Now x equal to 36,600 divided by 366. 366 one time, so it would be 100, right? So x equal to 100. Now what we have to find, how much trouser material did he buy? We have considered 2x as the quantity of cloth materials of trouser. Therefore, quantity of cloth material of trouser equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into 100, which is equal to 200 meter. Clear? Coming into the 8th question, half of a herd of deer are grazing in the fields and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So we have to find total number of deer in the herd. What all the facts are given? Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field, 3/4 of the remaining are playing, and 9 are drinking water. Right? Let's X be the total number of deer in the herd. Okay. Then number of deer grazing in the field equal to half of. Then what would be half into x, right? And 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Then number of deer playing in the field equal to 3/4 of remaining. 3/4 of remaining means total it is x, then you have to subtract the number of deer grazing in the field, that is x by 2. Now the number of deer drinking water in the field equal to, the exact number is given, that is 9. Okay, so what would be the total number of deer? We have to find the sum of these three, right? So it is given that x is the total number of deer in the herd, so we can form an equation as x, total number of deer, equal to number of deer grazing in the field plus number of deer playing in the field plus number of deer drinking water, right? Now we got a linear equation. Now we have to solve this equation. Then what would be the RHS? It would be x by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 2x minus x by 2 would be x by 2 plus 9, and LHS would be x itself. Again we can solve it as x by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9, right? Yes. Now here you can see that in both the rational numbers the denominators are different, so we have to take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8 itself. In 8 2 undergoes 4 times, therefore 4 into x is 4x plus 8 undergoes in 8 1 time, 1 into 3x is 3x itself plus 9, right? So which is equal to, it would be 7x by 8 plus 9, x equal to 7x by 8 plus 9. Again we have to bring this term into LHS, right? Then what would be x minus 7x by 8, which is equal to 9, right? Then it would be 8x minus 7x, that is x by 8 equal to 9, right? Therefore x equal to 9 into 8, that is 72. Therefore total number of deer in the herd equal to 72. Next question. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So we have to find the present age of grandfather as well as granddaughter, right? So let's x years be the present age of granddaughter. would be grandfather's percentage? It would be 10 times granddaughter's percentage. Yes. Therefore, grandfather's percentage equal to 10x. Right? Yes. Second sentence, you can see that he is also 54 years older than her. That means grandfather's percentage equal to 54 years plus granddaughter's percentage. Right? So from this we can form an equation. Grandfather's age 10x equal to 54 years older than granddaughter's age. Granddaughter's age is x plus 54. Now we got a linear equation. We can solve it. 10x minus x. It would be 54. 9x equal to 54. Therefore x equal to 54 by 9, which is equal to 6. X equal to 6. So granddaughters, therefore granddaughters percentage equal to 6 years. Yes. Then what would be grandfather's percentage? Grandfather's present age equal to 10 into x. That is 10 into 6. That is 60 years. Clear? Coming to 10th question. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So we have to find the present ages of Aman as well as Aman's son. Right? Let x be the x years. Okay, x years be the present age of Aman's son. First we will consider Aman's son's age. Okay. Then what would be Aman's age? Aman's age would be Aman's present age would be 3 times son's age. So 3x. Now see the second sentence. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So 10 years ago, what would be Aman's age? Aman's age 10 years ago, it would be 3x minus 10. Right? And Aman's son's age would be x minus 10. Isn't it? Yes. It is given that 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So, Aman's age is equal to 5 times his son's age. Okay, now we got the linear equation. Now we can solve it. RHS it would become 5x minus 50. Right? Yes. Now we can rearrange the equation. Thus 3x I am transposing into this side, then it would become 5x minus 50 minus 3x. Here it will remain minus 10. Okay. So minus 10 equal to 5x minus 3x would be 2x minus 50. Now this minus 50 I am transposing into LHS. Then what would be 15 minus 10 equal to 2x. That is 40 equal to 2x and x equal to 40 divided by 2. That is x equal to 20. Right? X equal to 20. So what is x here? X is the percentage of Aman's son. Therefore, percentage of Aman's son equal to 20 years and percentage of Aman equal to 3x. That is 3 into 20. That means 60 years. So we got percentage of Aman's son is 20 years and percentage of Aman is 60 years. Okay students, we have solved all the questions of exercise 2.4. If you have any queries, any doubts, please put it in my comment box. I will come with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.